All right, let's go to Sandra in Winter Garden. Sandra, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Good morning, and thanks for talking with me. I just wanted to pass along some advice if something happened to me that I wouldn't want some of your viewers to go through. My mother was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and only had 3 weeks to live. At that time, she put her home in my name in a quick claim deed that I prepared. We took it to the bank and had it all notarized. And I was responsible for cleaning out the home and the taxes and the insurance, but the home was to be legally divided between a younger brother and sister, and everything was to be legally divided. But because they didn't help me, and it took 4 years to clean out the house, and all of the bills occurred, they turned around, took the deed from the home, because I trusted them, and added their names to the deed after it was already prepared, and then turned around and hired attorneys to sue me. And I ended up going to having an attorney and then going and to mediation.
So Sandra. All right, let's pot her down. She's not going to stop talking, is she? All right, let's bring her back. Let's see if she stopped. No, let's take her down. Take her down. Give her a few seconds. Now, Sandra, I'd like to talk to you. You're going to let me talk to you? You're going to keep... No, she's going to keep on talking. So once you keep her on there, because I'd like to, she's going to tell us the story. I'd like to know what the moral to this lesson is, Sandra. We're not going to figure it out unless you stop talking. Here, let's go back to her.
The one...
So maybe we'll come back to her in about 10 minutes and see what she's doing. All right. So, Sandra, it's a somewhat interesting story, and I would like to talk to you if you'll stop talking. Let's try her one more time, just out of curiosity. Sandra, are you there with us?
Yes.
Okay. So, Sandra, one thing that happened to you is certainly this, that when you prepare a deed, that deed gets recorded in the public records. You had this deed done, but you did not record it. You stuck it in a drawer somewhere.
I had it in my mother's purse, and
Okay.
she was still alive.
Okay, you did not record it. That's the key here, Sandra. Now, with that story in mind, Sandra, tell me, what's the moral to this lesson? What are you trying to teach our listeners out there?
That if you have a quick claim deed and it is recorded, it's finished, record it immediately, put it in a safe. Don't let it get in the wrong hands.
All right. So that's the key, Sandra. When you do a deed, you record it in the public record, Sandra. If you had recorded that deed in the public records, you would not be in this complete mess, Sandra. So we all got that figured out.